Hi and welcome. We are Sonica Tinker here, and my name is Christian Peters, and we are the founders of the LoveWorks solution.
It's a natural progression of a marriage or a long-term relationship that sex and affection is abundant in the early days, and it gets more sparse as time goes by.
Have you experienced that in your own relationship, maybe? Sometimes specific breakdowns happen that directly decrease your physical affection, like maybe affairs or hurtful words or explosive anger. But more often, though, it's more like this, the gradual grind of life.
Yeah, being responsible adults, you pile on more work, duties, chores, and somehow they always seem more urgent than getting naked, melting into intimate communion.
I know. So, whereas you're probably really good at putting your nose to the grindstone, there are some consequences when our physical pleasure gets relegated to the bottom of the list. For example, things like we might lose touch with each other. You might get more prone to shortness and anger and, just shorter fuse.
Yeah, you might find yourself turning more into roommates than lovers. Maybe even you start fantasizing about getting your needs met elsewhere.
Which ultimately can lead you to just drift apart and lose the sweet love that you shared.
Now, fortunately, this is not an inevitable process. It does not have to be your experience in relationship.
Definitely not. You can actually, and this is what this mini workshop is about, you can rekindle your sex and affection. No matter where you're starting from right now, whether your sex life is amazing right now or it's been real stagnant.
And you haven't had sex for 30 years. You can get more intimacy, sex, and connection by learning some simple tricks and engaging in easy activities together. Instead of thinking of jumping all the way from nothing to hot, there's lots of little steps you can take in between.
And we will show you that to you in this mini workshop. So we're going to teach you some simple, effective tools and activities for you to go deeper with your partner and for you to have and enjoy more intimacy, sex, and affection. And it all only takes 90 minutes.
Yeah, so we hope you'll give it to yourself. We look very forward to being with you.
Yes.